idea. I got these vegetables here, and I think I'm going to add them to this mincemeat and put them inside these peppers. I pre-cooked them. Chop them. Let's get a bit of a chop. This is broad. There is a broad beans. I just boiled them. Bit cack-handed here. I pre-made this mince. It has lots of ingredients, but I'm gonna add more ginger and garlic. That's homemade stuff, ginger and garlic. I do like chili. Chili's always good. Some sesame seed oil. What do you reckon? Some carrots. Chop up some carrots as well. And some potato. That should give it some body, shouldn't it? Huh? It's all pre-cooked. Got a bunch of peppers there. Let's mix this in. Can you see? When you're trying to make a movie, you kind of get cack-handed. Mix it all in. That's a bit noisy for you, I bet. Okay, that's that. Right, let's get this. Not much seeds. Not many seeds in this one. Give that to the birds. I put that on my mantelpiece and the birds like to eat the seeds. Right, that'll be a good one. What's that? I'm blind, I can't see. There's actually quite a lot of, okay, a lot of meat in this. Okay. Oh, of course, some cheese on the top. I'm going to make this in the microwave. In the microwave this time. Because it save on power. There we go, look at that. So I put that in the microwave, do it now. Because it's only... So these are going to be tricky because they're so small. I don't know if it's going to work with this. In fact, I'm sure it's not going to work with this. How the hell am I going to get anything into this? Oh yeah. You see, they can get some. There's a little bit of space in there. Not much. This is the smallest one. So. I guess there's not going to be much in it anyway. I don't want to fool around too much with that. But, one. These are a bit bigger. Let's see how we go. Oh yeah, there's lots more space in here. Much more space in here. Cool. Coolio. I think that's full. Yes, it's full. Awesome. Right. It's a bit bigger, this one. Alright. It's getting better and better, isn't it? I've never done this before on these small ones, so it's a learning experience. We've only got one more to do. put one in. I put one in the oven. That doesn't look so pretty, but there they are. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of them for. These ones haven't got cheese in them, they haven't got any space for anything really. And I've got this left over. I don't have any space in any. There's no space in any of those. I don't know what to do with that. I'll mix it in with a soup, make that into a soup, I suppose. And voila. I'm going to make these in the microwave. I'm not going to bake them. And we'll have a look at what that one looks like. I just put it in the microwave. We'll see what it looks like. I know it maybe needs a bit more time. What do you think? I think it needs a secondary zap. Yeah, a secondary zap. Well, that's the general idea, folks. Hope you liked the video. Stuffed sweet peppers. Sweet baby peppers from Morrison's. Yummy, yummy. Thank you for watching.